If you have a number of different audiences, you really don't want to create a number of different PowerPoint files. It means that if there's a change, then you've got to make that change in every file. What I'd do is create one PowerPoint file that had all the slides, and then I'd create a number of custom shows within that file for different audiences. Let me show you what I mean. For example, we've got 9 slides as appears in the bottom left of our screen. 9 slides in this file. And I've got different audiences and I don't want them to see all 9 slides necessarily, so I'll create different custom shows. From the ribbon, click the Slideshow tab and you'll find there's a button called Custom Slideshow. Click this button and then click Custom Shows. I'm going to create a new custom show, so I'll click the New button. And this show is for the marketing people. The marketing people, I want them to see just certain slides out of this presentation. I want them to see slide 1, so I'll click on slide 1 and I'll add. I want them to see the ways and I'll add. I also want them to see the process, so I'll add slide 9, and I want them to see the end, so I'll add that. So the marketing people have their own show which comprises of 4 slides from the collection of 9 we have in this file. And I'll click OK. I now want to create another show, and this is for the production team. So I'll click on New and I'll name this custom show Production. For the production team, I want them to see this first slide, I'll add. I want them to see the ways, I'll add. Slide 3, add that. The slide 7, add that. The process, add that. And the end, add that. So they've got 6 slides in their presentation, and I'll click OK. And now I'm going to create a third show, so I'll click New, and this is for the finance team. The finance team also want to see slide 1, but they want to see the expected cost, slide 4, the earnings, slide 5, the expected earnings, slide 6, and the end. So I'll add that, and they have 5 slides in their custom show. The beauty of creating different shows is if slide 1 should have a change made to it, it will carry automatically to the 3 shows, because slide 1 is in each of those 3 shows, without having to create 3 separate files and then make the change 3 times. And I'll click OK. So I have 3 custom shows, so I'll close. If I'm setting up my slideshow, so I'm in the Slideshow tab in the ribbon and I click the Set Up Slideshow button, I can choose to show a custom show, and I can choose which custom show I'd like to show. So I might choose the marketing one, and I'll use timings and OK. And then when I run the slideshow from the beginning by hitting the From Beginning button, I'm only going to see the slides relevant to that custom show. This is slide 1. This is their second slide. This is their third slide, which is actually slide 8. And then the last slide. And that's their custom show. So don't create a proliferary of different files. Create one file that's got all the slides in it, and then create mini shows using the Custom Slideshow button. You can also go into the Custom Slideshow button at any time and choose Custom Shows, and choose to edit a show, or remove a show, or even copy a show. But I'll click Close.